Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video, I will organize our pantry. There it is. So yesterday we went to Costco and bought a lot of grocery, and because we got home late, so I wasn't able to put all the stuff where they belong. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you guys how I organize our pantry. So this is what we got yesterday. This one and that one. So that is our pantry, and I'm gonna organize all of them since it's been a long time that I organized our pantry. So I think this is the time because we got our new groceries also. So you can see I put label on our pantry. This one is gravy and beans, so I'm gonna put all the beans that I can. And then here in the second is meat, soup, corn, paste, and pizza sauce. So I put all the stuff here, the one that we always use all the time, that way it's easy to see, and the one that we don't really use is here above. And here also in the third layer, I put it mango, peaches, pineapple, condensed milk, and coconut milk. So basically it's more on fruits in this layer. And then here also the bigger stuff like oil, barbecue sauce, ketchup, mayo, and I put potato chips, tortilla chips, and like all the chips. And here also the candy and the crackers. So it's not really organized. Some of them are not in the labeled area, so that's what I'm gonna do this time. So let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and arrange this one. I'm gonna grab my ladder because our pantry is higher. And then I'm gonna start working here. Now I'm gonna open this new baked beans that we bought yesterday because we like baked beans. So I'm gonna put this above where they belong. I'm just gonna sorry. See, so what you will do is you put the older cans in the front. That way you can use them first before they expired. So I'm just gonna go up a little bit higher because we only go for at least 2 times a year in Costco, so that's why we stack up pretty good with our canned food. I think it's cheaper if you buy bulk in Costco rather than buying little bitty at a time in a grocery store. So we did pretty good buying all the canned food. So there's 3 more. Okay, I'm just gonna put that here. But it doesn't really take a lot of space. So ayan. So that was tomato sauce. We always use this also, like cooking spaghetti and different stuff. So it's good to have tomato sauce in the stuff. We bought 2 boxes of can of corn. We never did run out of food because we stock up pretty good. Malayo kasi kami sa Costco, guys. It's like 3 hours drive. So every time we go to Costco, we always buy a lot of canned goods. Of course, fresh fruits also, and then some vegetables. So next is, so we're done with the corn. That was not bad. Evaporated milk. So 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. 1 dozen of evaporated milk. So ayan. This one, 2 avocado oil. 2 avocado oil. And then ketchup, mayonnaise, Johnny's seasoning salt, garlic salt, pistachio, mayonnaise. Okay. Mayonnaise. Okay. Oops. Oh my god. Oopsie. 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 Mayonnaise. Okay. Ketchup. Ketchup. So, sideways lang siya, guys, para magkasya talaga siya. And this one, barbecue sauce. Okay, dyan lang siya yan. Meron pa kasi kaming isang natira. So I'm just gonna put it like that, sideways. You know. And of course, our peanut butter. Peanut butter. Dito na lang siya ilagay. Sana magkasya siya. Pag hindi ito nagkasya talaga. Ouch. Oh my god. I ran out of room. Bigger chips. Another chip. Another pistachio. Oopsie. Pistachio. Okay. Okay. Chocolate chips. organizing our pantry. There it is. I will show you. So on the top, it's a beans, different kinds of beans, cut green beans, original chili, and then this one is baked beans, and then green peas and olives, and then in the second shelves there's chicken breast, chicken chunk, and then some soup, tomato sauce, and clam chowder, corned beef, and then here is, as you can see, peaches, different kinds of canned fruit. So there it is. And then down below, down below is oil. We have olive oil, avocado oil, and then some mayonnaise, all seasoning. Then here also is some pasta and nuts, and then this one is margarita mix, and what do you call this one? Oh, I forgot. Mustard and ranch dressing and garlic salt. And then down below is bigger stuff like this one, Cheetos, pistachio, Ruffles, and some graham crackers and popcorn. So that's our pantry. There's a lot of stuff right now. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you like how I organize our pantry, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.